Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Casper here. So today I would just like to share with you guys how I made my first $100 in CPA marketing. So this actually happened 1 week, 1 month back. So as you can see here, I'm with Zaydu. So it's an affiliate network. So over here you can see it's $168. So I just need to tell you guys first. I actually spent $400 on advertising, as you can see here on PropellerAds. I spent $400 and I only made back 168. So my ROI is around negative 65. But anyways, this is just to tell you guys, if you guys are new to CPA marketing, definitely is workable for newbies. So the offer that I actually used to promote is actually um, cost per install offers. So okay, but before I go into that, I just showed you how much that I um, paid for my advertising. So you can see over here I use PayPal. So it's $400 actually, but PayPal actually take a percentage every time I reload or top up the advertising budget. Okay, so yeah, 168. So okay, where was I? Okay, all right. So the thing is, I would actually suggest you to go for cost per install um, offers, because this is actually how I made my first $100. Although I'm not actually profiting from this $400 investment, but it is actually a very good way for you guys to start. So there are actually two types of offer that I would like to um, share with you guys. The first one is sweepstakes. So sweepstakes, like all those free coupons, free $100 cashback kind of stuff, free iPhone, free iPad, free Samsung phones, all that kind of thing. That is under sweepstakes. And the second one is under cost per install. So basically you are actually promoting offers like what do you call this, like mobile apps, free install kind of app, where they install the app and you get a certain amount of money. So over here you can see I have conversions up to, some of them I got 300 conversions, some of them I got like lesser conversions, because I was actually testing two offers right here. So both are also the cost per install offers. So one of them is paying quite low. It's paying around 4 cents US dollars, and the other one is actually paying around 50 cents. Yeah, so I'm actually promoting two offers back then, last month, and these are my results. So this right now, I know everyone is suffering for the pandemic, so this is just a very short update for you guys on my journey with affiliate marketing. So I'll be actually testing more things out. By the way, I just wanted to show you guys again, I just cashed out. Yeah, over here you can see. Yeah, so I just cashed out 2 days back. So yeah, so just to tell you guys that CPA marketing works, and this is how I made my first $100. So if you want to know more, you want to talk to me, just leave the comment, just fill up the comment section below, leave your comments, or you can just directly follow me on my social media and talk to me personally. All right, so stay safe guys, and hope everything is all right for the pandemic. All right, take care. Cheers.